Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream. To begin, you'll need a few key items. First, make sure you have heavy cream with at least 36% milk fat. The higher fat content is crucial for achieving that perfect, fluffy texture. Also, chilling your mixing bowl and whisk attachments beforehand will significantly help the whipping process. This simple step ensures your cream whips up faster and holds its shape better. A stand mixer or a good hand mixer will be your best friend here. Once your equipment is ready, pour the very cold heavy cream into your chilled mixing bowl. Start your mixer on a low speed to prevent any splattering, then gradually increase the speed to medium or medium-high. As the cream whips, you'll notice it begin to thicken. Keep an eye on the consistency. You're looking for soft peaks first, where the cream holds its shape but the tips gently flop over. Continue whipping until you achieve stiff peaks, which stand firm. Now for the fun part, flavoring. Once your cream reaches the soft peak stage, you can add any sweeteners like powdered sugar or extracts such as vanilla. Continue mixing until you reach your desired stiffness. Be careful not to overmix, as whipped cream can quickly turn grainy and then into butter. Stop as soon as stiff peaks form. For storage, transfer your freshly made cream to an airtight container and keep it refrigerated. Sometimes, cream might not whip up as expected. The most common reason is that the cream or equipment wasn't cold enough, so ensure everything is thoroughly chilled. Using a deep mixing bowl can also help contain any splatters as you whip. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. For more helpful kitchen hacks and other great deals, make sure to check the description below. And if you're looking to streamline your cooking, those leak-proof meal prep containers are a fantastic addition to any kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.